You have been sent this email with the video if you are already on the system. That only means that you have a username and a password. Now, you should have been given information on how to change this password, because the password was given to you by the system, but nobody knows that password. So it means the password has to be changed. Now, if you do not have that information anymore, this is how you change your password. You go to this URL. It will also be in the email. So password reset. If you click on that, you will enter your username. Now, your username is usually your email. So if you don't know your username, fill in your email. If that doesn't work, contact us. So I'm not going to do this now because I do not want to reset my password, but click this button, reset my password, and you will be taken to a screen where you can change your password. So once that is done, you can log in to finish your profile. You will find that the admin team have been working hard, so it could be that some of the information is already filled in for you. This is not so for everybody, but we're working as hard as we can. So how do you log in? You scroll down on this is on the bottom of every page. So you click login, and here is where you are going to fill in your username or password. So I'm going to use one of my test users. I'm going to click on login, which will take you to this screen. Now, the first thing here, what you can do is upload a photo. Keep in mind that we're keeping the photos really small because large amount of photo data is what slows down a website and makes it harder to find on the search engines, and that's not what we want. If you're having difficulties with your photos, you can always contact us and we will help you. Now, once you've done that, you click on this little wheel and go to edit profile. So you could do your photo here as well. And so you will either some of this information is already filled out, otherwise please fill in everything for us. If you don't know your registration date, that's not a big problem. We can find that for you. As you see, you have been issued a new number. This is because the old software that we used was not very sophisticated and could not work with this new software. So for one time, you will be giving a new number. Here you will fill in all your personal information. That's only for admin purposes, so this will not be shown to the public. And we'd like you to fill in your professional membership details. You only have to do one, so don't bother with the second one, just do your main one. And with your evidence, just that's real simple. You click upload something. When that's done, click save. So we would also like to know that you have insurance, so please click that, name of insurance and the end date. You don't have to upload a certificate. Professional face-to-face qualifications, again, please just upload the main one. We don't want you to do extra work. Here are your online qualifications. Do one. I mean, if you have supervision, you can do it here. So one here, and of course the highest one. If you're level 2 and level 3, please also upload your supervisor's reference. Now, if you're level 2 and 3, we also need you to fill in your directory entries. This is really important because before this is filled in, you will not be found on the therapist register because we do not want empty entries there. So please fill this in. keep the word limits in mind. You can get into trouble if you go over the word limit, that your profile will not save. So fill this in as fully as you can. If you are a supervisor, fill this in as well. Please do the declarations because that's important for us to know. Renewal date, if you don't know that, we'll fill it in for you. Important, when you finish, please copy this and let us know. When this comes in, we'll look at it, and within 48 hours at the slowest, you will be made live on the website. And do not forget to hit update profile. Now, if you hit update profile and you are not taken out of this web page, but you go back on the top to the top and it says errors, this means it hasn't saved. So if you go away from the page, then nothing will save. What you do then is scroll down, and if there are errors, it will be shown underneath. So really, I think we need you to tick this. So if you haven't done that, there will be an error message. If you do not fix that and go away, everything is lost. So please take this very seriously. Do not forget to update before you leave and make sure that everything is saved. Any other questions, problems, please get in touch with us at this email because we'd love to help you.